So here we will look at the extrude. We want to have a cube and be able to make it something like a box. So we add some details to our shapes. Let's see how we can make them. So first I'll add a cube and make it like a box, and then I'll bring a cylinder and make it something like this. And at the end, I will show you how to bring the third shape and modify it and make it a little bit more complex. Let's begin. So I'm gonna select these three and we should be in object mode. So I'm gonna select these three and delete. And let me move these ones to another side. Okay. When you open your Blender, first you have the cube, but if you have deleted it, you can bring it back from here. So we add a cube, and then we want to go here and to edit mode. Also, we can click tab, go back and forth between edit and object mode. So we want to be in edit mode, and then we want to select this one, which is the face selection mode. So click the face, and next we want to select the extrude tool. Click extrude, and then you can move this up or down. So let's move it up. And now you can make it smaller. Let's scale it down. Click scale and drag, like grab the circle and kind of move it towards the center. Now you have a smaller face on top. So this face, you can move it as well. Let's see. If you click this move tool, you can do this to the face. But also you can extrude another time. Let's extrude. So we can extrude one more time and then we can push it up or down. So let's see what we have. If you want to see wireframe, just go do this. And now you can see the inside of your box. And you can move it down a little bit more. Here you go. So these ones on top, the circles, show how we can kind of see in different views, like, yeah, wireframe or the regular mode. Okay, the next thing we want to do is to bring a cylinder. Let's go to mesh, but be careful, we want to be in the object mode to bring a new object. So click object mode, add mesh, and then let's bring a cylinder. It will go to the 0, 0, 0, which is our origin. We can grab it and bring it to the right. And let's look at our shape. We want to see our shape. It's kind of similar to the box. And we want to extrude the surface and push it down. And then we will add two more thingies to the sides. Okay, to change this, you can click tab, or you can go here and change it to edit mode and make sure you have the face selected. And when you select the face, you can extrude. You can extrude and then make it smaller. And you can move it. And then you can extrude one more time. Let's extrude. And if you want to scale, you can scale it again. And if you want to keep the proportions, just grab the circle and move it. And then extrude another time and see, like you can extrude and push it down or up, bring it up. So here is our shape. Let's say we want to add some more details to some of the faces here. You can click this one and then extrude. You can click any of these faces and extrude. Maybe you want to extrude something from here. You can do that as well. To see your object from different sides, you can hold the mouse button, the middle mouse button, the scroll button, hold it down and then move. Also, you can use this to zoom in. Also, you can scroll. So we extruded the cylinder as well. Let's see how we can use another shape, add another shape and extrude. So this is the, let's go to object mode and go to add mesh and a cone. And then the cone, we can bring it up a little bit and select the face that is under our shape. So go to edit and then select this face and extrude. So you can extrude as many times as you want, and it will add more subdivisions to your shape. And if you want to add some details to this, you can just select the face and you can extrude it. Also, we have another tool, like if you extrude, you can push it to either side. And also you can delete any of the faces that you don't want. Let's say you want to make a hole inside this, and you can right click and delete the face. Okay. I want to show you this tool. It's kind of doing a similar thing. It's adding a face and just adding it. It's like extrude, but let me show you on this box what it can do. It's a little bit, it makes our life a little bit easier. So let's go to our object mode to select the other object and then go back to edit mode and grab the face. So when the face is selected, we want to go to insert faces. And let's see what this does. Click, drag. So this works with left click and drag. And see how it added another face. So we could have done it with extrude, but this is another way of doing a similar thing. Now let's say we want to select this face and extrude one more time. We can do this, extrude and push it a little bit inside. So yeah, feel free to bring different shapes from, like let's go to object mode, just practice and see what you can make. So go to add mesh and bring other shapes and just play with the shapes and see when you extrude them, what kind of shapes you can make. Let me try this one as well. So when we have our object, we want to go to edit, select the face and extrude. So whatever we extrude, we can scale, rotate. I didn't show you how we can rotate faces, but let's say you have this shape, you scale it down, and then also you can rotate and rotate a little bit and then extrude another time. So this way you can kind of make some curved shapes. So you can rotate and extrude. And then you can scale. If you want to scale proportionally, grab the circle. If not, it will just scale from one side, like this, or like this. Okay, have fun with this and see what you can make. That was it for today, and I hope you enjoyed it, and see you on the next video. Bye.